Have you ever accidentally taken a screenshot, tried to delete it instantly, and realized there's no delete button? So annoying, right? You're forced to open the gallery just to delete one useless screenshot. If you're using a Samsung phone, this trick will save your sanity. Alright, let me show you a simple trick to make the delete button appear right after you take a screenshot. First, open Good Lock. My Samsung doesn't support it, so I'm using Fine Lock instead. Both work the same way. Inside the app, install a module called Nice Shot. Once it's installed, open the module and turn it on. Now this is the important part. Enable the option called Add Delete Button. And that's it, you're done. From now on, every time you accidentally take a screenshot, you'll instantly see a delete button. No more opening the gallery, no more extra steps, just delete it right away. So next time your finger slips and you take another useless screenshot, are you still going to open the gallery, or are you finally deleting it in one tap like a pro?